Okay, so uh, I got my hands on this Calvin Klein and really like now I'm gonna show you. Oh my god, I'm so excited! And I got this from my hard and earned money. That's the reason I'm excited. Not my hubby, not my parents, and I am doing it all by God's grace. So that's the reason. And for a girl, for a woman, for a wife, it is huge. Like housewife, I'm talking about, not working lady. Okay. Anyways, keep that side. And then, oh my god, seriously, it's premium. Really, it's premium. Like you can see the slick, it is like t-shirt and Seiko and Swarovski, I guess. There are premium watches. So it's one of them, Calvin Klein. Oh my god, look at the finish. And look at the name, Calvin Klein. Actually, yeah, it is premium, but I did not want it on this color, rose gold color. This find me cheapo. Like the rose gold color, it is in a trend. So the uh, people are wearing this much rose gold now. That makes me look cheapo. So I asked that executive that I'm not liking it and the color I'm not liking it. He said, ma'am, this is the last only piece and I wanted to buy actually for my wife, but I don't have that much money. So I kindly said him, should I buy it for your wife if you wish to? Okay, you can. Matlab, I don't want to show off and I don't have that much money really, but for to give something to someone, you don't need a paisa. You need just a good, clean heart. You need to be pure soul. You said it with pure heart and bas ho gaya. God has done it for you because God sees your heart. That's the reason. So this is really massive premium. It's just look at the touch. Oh my god. If you will touch and you will I showed my husband and he was like, oh my god. And he was excited too, but he liked it. He never praised my things like ये क्या है, ये कैसा लाया है, थोड़ा अच्छा लाना चाहिए था. He always pick up uh, he always like nitpicking, like loops and holes. This I don't like that. I don't like you have you don't have good choice and all. But this no, this he liked it, and I said, "Bacha, I'm gonna buy it for you. You tell me which brand do you want." He said, "कुछ भी चलेगा मुझे, but I want premium one like yours." I said, okay, but you have to wear it. You don't have to, like, I want my hubby should look premium like me. So whenever I'm gonna buy two, just for my hubby and myself. And the cost, please don't ask me. Otherwise, you're gonna say I am bragging. I'm here to brag you, something like that. So thank you, Calvin Klein. Thank you, my God, whom I praise and worship. He's the one who is provider. He is providing for me. I am not waiting for someone to come up and he will fulfill my wish or boy or my husband or my parents. No, I am the one. I'm the one, matlab, my God, he is a provider. That is it. And oh my God, look, can you cry? Yes. Thank you. Please wish me and keep on wishing me good blessings, and God will give you the same. You need to be consistent. पहली बात, you have to be pure soul. Whatever is in your heart garbage, just throw it away. You have to keep forgiving. That's what I do. And I forgive and then I don't talk with them. It is not ki I don't want to see her face. I don't, no, no, no. It is not like that. But it is just I am forgiving from pure soul. It's not I'm telling from the mouth and keeping kachra in my heart. No, it is not like that. But बस ठीक है, दूर से 10 foot distance and hi, bye, namaste. That's what I'm gonna do. Because what's happened now, when we keep grudges, otherwise that person will come across again and again. We would have changed ourselves, our mind, our heart, but that person won't. You know what I mean. So I just मैं कट्टी ले लेती हूँ और ऐसा I turn my road and go straight. I don't look right, left. Yeah, that's what I do. So please do let me know for my Calvin Klein watch. I really want to work with this brand. Whenever I see that Jungkook ka photo, and there was Calvin Klein. There was Disha Patni too. Yeah. So I was like, अरे मुझे भी यहाँ पे I want my poster here. So I do claim that, and early it was 10:40 रात का yesterday on the Women's Day, last day I'm talking about. My husband was not there. My husband was on the work, bichara. God blesses him in abundance, seriously. And he gave me 500 rupees to eat something because I was not feeling well. Still, my nasals are totally blocked. I don't know what's wrong with me. There's schedule change or weather change. I don't know. But okay, thank you God for giving me such a beautiful gift. For to giving me such a beautiful husband. Beautiful husband by heart. Okay, my husband is handsome. And for my doctor, that I'm not gonna disclose here. Okay, means I am blessed to have such a beautiful people around me, and I liked it. Seriously, I liked it. So yeah, thank you. You want to know the cost? I can't tell you the cost. You can go and Google it. You will get to know what is the cost. The cost is 16K. Yes, and I only got discount 10% maybe. So 15,500 or 15K I paid. Yes, and it is very sleek. And seriously, the minus point what I'm gonna tell you, the color rose gold, but it is not totally proper rose gold color. It is sort of brown, dark brown or dark rose gold or copper color, you can say copper. And it is stainless steel ka material. No, this material is stainless steel material. Okay, so thank you so much for being patient for me, and I love you.